Vuyokazi Gciweni Mphumelelo Mseleku's baby mama graduates yesterday. All the time we were waiting for Vuyokazi's graduation because she promised us about her graduation on 2026. The first person who graduates is Awongo Mseleku and Amahle Mphumelelo Mseleku's baby mama. Vuyokazi Gciweni, she posted her certificates on UNISA wearing a gown. She was looking very beautiful. Vuyokazi is upgrading her life since she separated herself with Mphumelelo Mseleku. At that time, they were staying together with Mphumelelo Mseleku. Vuyokazi was not doing good at school because she was still at school, but repeat again and again. But when she removed herself on Mphumelelo Mseleku's life with drama, Mphumelelo was always stressing Vuyokazi. Vuyokazi lose weight. At that time, she was staying with Mphumelelo, and she decided to leave the marriage forever and to go back to school to be serious with her studies. And now see Vuyokazi wearing a gown. She took a good decision in her life and she is upgrading. Vuyokazi have got her own apartment, 2 cars. She is doing well. Her kids are going to school. Klopekazi is going to school. She is paying the school fees. So she did well to be out of Mpumelelo's life because even she have got an opportunity to get a job. Most of the people, they know Vuyokazi. So Vuyokazi have got opportunity to get a good job to raise their kids. So guys, Vuyokazi inspired many women who are being abused in marriages. Mphumelelo maybe thinks that he is too special, because Mphumelelo have got drama. Even Tirelo knows that. You know that Tirelo, even she is going to regret to be on that marriage. Mphumelelo Mseleku have got drama after drama. That's why Vuyokazi at that time she was at school, but not like she is doing good, because Mseleku was the one who fetched Vuyokazi. Mphumelelo doesn't want Vuyokazi at that time. Vuyokazi was still at school, but she was not doing well because of Mphumelelo. Mphumelelo was stressing. You know that when you have got stress and school, it doesn't match sometimes. So Vuyokazi Gciweni took a good decision because her mother advised her to leave Mphumelelo and go back to school to study. Vuyokazi's mother was taking care of her kids. Look at her now. She is wearing a gown because we are waiting for Vuyokazi all the time to graduate, or maybe we think maybe she lied to us about her graduation on 2026. We forgot that Vuyokazi tell us about her graduation, because when I see Abongwe, I see Amahle wearing a gown. What about Vuyokazi? Because Vuyokazi last year on 2025 told us that she is going to graduate on 2026. We didn't see Vuyokazi, or people we think maybe she failed the exams, but yesterday she proved us wrong to post her pictures on UNISA. Guys, the other women are doing good. Even she took a good decision. If she knows that Mphumelelo and Mayeni, they don't treat her well, Vuyokazi took a decision. That girl was not desperate. Like she want fame, she want money on Mphumelelo. Because if you look at Vuyokazi is coming from better family. Your parents they are better. They have got good jobs. They look like maybe they are pensioners. I don't know. But those people, they look like they have got good life in Cape Town. That's why Vuyokazi decide to leave Mphumelelo forever, because the person who fetched Vuyokazi is Mseleku, but Mphumelelo doesn't want to stay with Vuyokazi. But Vuyokazi, you know that choose yourself. I love that girl because she chose herself over to be with Mphumelelo, with his drama, with his girlfriends. Look at him, because Mphumelelo now bring Amahle. Tirelo was very stressed. Alone Vuyokazi was out of that drama, focusing with her schoolwork. Even Amahle, what about Tirelo, guys? Because Amahle is a graduate now. What about Tirelo? Because Tirelo, she is not taking her life serious. Maybe there is something she is doing we don't understand. Tirelo is still young. She can upgrade her life like other wives, because when you are not upgrading your life, you are on Istanbul polygamy, you are going to struggle.